Ready to supercharge your Tableau skills? First, let's explore Tableau Public. This is your treasure trove of free, ready-to-use Tableau projects. Open your web browser and search for Tableau Public. Navigate to the Tableau Public website. From there, use keywords to search for visualizations relevant to your interests. Once you find a project you like, click the download button. The options to download are Tableau Workbook or Tableau Package Workbook. Next, let's discuss shared workbooks. Often, your colleagues or collaborators are a fantastic resource. Reach out, ask if they're willing to share. If they are, they can send you the project file directly, usually via email or a shared drive. Open the workbook in Tableau by selecting Open and navigating to where the file is stored and select it. From here you can explore, learn how they created each visualization, and adapt it to your data. Finally, you can find projects from the web. Look for published projects on websites and repositories. Many data-driven websites showcase Tableau visualizations. You can often download the underlying workbook or simply dissect the visualizations, observing techniques, and replicating them within your Tableau environment.